While every sale is different, there is an underlying pattern you may have already noticed in terms of the steps it takes to turn a prospect into a loyal customer. The sales pipeline is like a treasure map with the columns here that represent essential stages of your sales process. Since you're just getting started, you may want to customize the pipeline to your business needs. You can add new stages, remove existing ones, rename them, and rearrange their order. You can even create multiple pipelines tailored to your unique sales process and transfer deals in between those pipelines. Now, these little boxes here are deals. Now, each deal represents an ongoing sale or opportunity that you're working on within your Pipedrive account. And over time, as your sale progresses, you drag and drop the deal through the stages of your pipelines until they're either lost or won. Once a deal is marked with lost or won status, it'll disappear from your pipeline so you can stay focused on the pending sales. And you can always find these won deals in your filters and insights reporting later. So how do you get your deals in this pipeline? Well, the quickest way for just one deal is to click here. Then just fill in the necessary data and choose which stage in your pipeline to put this deal in. But maybe you've got a whole spreadsheet full of contacts and data that you need to import into Pipedrive. No problem. You'll be able to import contact data, organization data, and even create deals for each contact at the same time in bulk if that's what's right for you. Once you have all of your data in Pipedrive, don't forget about the handy list view. It works kind of like a spreadsheet, giving you the power to generate filtered reports based on your Pipedrive database, and you can then make bulk edits to your filtered list of data. Now, it's important to understand that your deals pipeline view is best utilized for qualified prospects that you believe have a chance of becoming your customer. But how do we go about managing that qualification process? That would be the leads area here. Leads work very similarly to deals and store a history of your interactions over time as you qualify them. Once you're feeling confident in the lead, you can easily convert it into a deal in your deals pipeline. And everything you've done for this lead will be preserved in your new deal. Now let's open the detail view of one of the deals and see how it's structured. This is where the entire history of the specific sales opportunity is going to live. At the top, there's a progress bar that reveals which pipeline stage the deal is currently in and the number of days it took to complete each stage. Now on the left-hand side of the deal, you'll discover all the essential facts about this opportunity. The summary section, always displayed at the top of the sidebar, contains the core details of your deals. But you can manage the rest of the sections by clicking here if you want to exclude or reorganize them. Within the remaining sections, you'll find the deal details, organization information, contacts, revenue, and much more. You can then manage the fields within these sections and even create custom fields to track all the necessary details. With a variety of intuitive field types at your disposal, you can tailor the experience to your needs. Now on the right-hand side of our detail view, you'll find the hub for all deal-related communications. Every activity, note, call, email, document, you name it, can all be managed here. In the focus section, you'll see what needs your attention right now, such as activities and email drafts and pinned notes. And finally, in the history section, it houses a record of all items that have been uploaded to a deal, along with all updates made along the way. Now let's show you how to manage email communication in Pipedrive. You can sync your email inbox and send emails directly from Pipedrive. This can be done in the detail view to email your contact directly, or you can use the mail section here. Now when you receive an email, you can quickly add the sender to your contact list and even start a deal, add activities, or link this email to the person you already have in your contacts or an existing deal. You can also use email templates to speed up your email communication and use merge fields to personalize each message. And thanks to this email open and link tracking, you can instantly react to when the customer interacts with your message. You can send group emails as well, by the way. So templates and tracking come in real handy when you're emailing a whole list of contacts. But email is only part of the big picture. The process likely has key activities that are needed to move a deal forward. Pipedrive encourages activity-based selling, so it's easy to schedule them no matter where you are, be it the calendar, the pipeline, the deal, the lead, the contact view, or even the mobile app. Plus, you can sync it with your preferred calendar provider, ensuring that you never miss an activity or double book again. Here you can keep your calendar in check and effortlessly track all upcoming or overdue activities. And you can use our calendar scheduling tool to save time, which gives your contacts a list of available time slots to choose from based on your availability. To measure success, head over to Insights. Depending on your plan, you gain access to multiple dashboards and diverse reports. Some of them are straightforward and will tell you things like how many deals you've won over a time period, but others go deeper, such as your deal progress report, where you can see how many deals are moving between each stage of your pipeline over time. Additionally, you can tap into the power of goals, perfect for setting targets and motivating individuals and teams. So, we now know how to work with Pipedrive to measure success, but how can we save even more time? Automation comes to your aid when you find yourself caught up in repetitive administrative tasks during your sales process. So like let's say every time you move a deal into a certain stage, an email should be sent to that contact. With our pre-designed templates, you can automate this and save yourself a load of time. And of course, you can create your own custom automation from scratch as well. And there you have it, people. A comprehensive glimpse into how Pipedrive can help improve your quality of work life.